Hi everyone, welcome back to Kfood Recipe Hunters channel. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Korean food? Most people would say kimchi, right? What exactly is kimchi? It's a traditional Korean fermented vegetable dish, usually made with napa cabbage or radish, seasoned with chili pepper. It's not only delicious but also packed with probiotics, vitamins and antioxidants. No wonder many people call it a superfood. Kimchi has been part of Korean culture for over 1,000 years, and almost every Korean household makes it differently. It's more than just a side dish, it's a symbol of Korean identity and community. Now let's make baechu kimchi, the most popular type made from napa cabbage. 1 large napa cabbage, half of radish, julienne, 2 green onions, chopped, 1 onion, 2 cups of coarse sea salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of glutinous flour, 1 cup of Korean red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 6 garlic cloves, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger. Cut the napa cabbage into quarters and sprinkle salt between the leaves to season it. To help the cabbage soften evenly, it's better to dissolve salt in water and soak the cabbage in it. Let it sit for about 3 or 4 hours, turning it occasionally to help it soften. When the stems of the cabbage become soft, rinse off all the salt water completely and drain well. It's just right if the leaves fold over, but not completely. Add 2 tablespoons of glutinous flour to 400 ml of water and boil until it thickens into the sticky paste. Blend 1 onion, garlic, ginger and fish sauce all at once in a blender. After the flour paste has cooled, add the flour paste, sugar and chili powder to the blended puree and mix well. Add the julienne radish and the short-cut green onions and mix all at once to make the filling. Spread out the salted cabbage leaves one by one and stuff the mixed filling between each layers. Wrap it well with the outer leaves and store it in a storage container. If you prefer fresh kimchi, you can slice it and eat it right away. If you prefer a sour, fermented flavor, leave it at room temperature for 1 to 2 days before refrigerating it. There are over 200 types of kimchi in Korea. Each region in Korea has its own unique types of kimchi made with local ingredients. Kakdugi is cubed radish kimchi. It's crunchy and refreshing. Oisobugi is cucumber-stuffed kimchi, perfect for summer. Bak kimchi, meaning white kimchi, has no chili in it. Great for children or those who don't like spicy food. Pa kimchi made with scallions goes very well with samgyeopsal, pork belly barbecue. The longer it ferments, the more sour it becomes. If it's too sour, don't throw it away. Use it to make kimchi fried rice, kimchi stew, or kimchi pancakes. What's your favorite Korean dish? Subscribe, like, and share it with me, and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye.